Hey, it's Jason, and I want you to be my next millionaire student before Kylie Jenner makes another billion. Why is it that Kylie Jenner gets to be a billionaire while most guys will never even get to touch millionaire? You know what? Forget about Kylie. I want you to be my next millionaire student. And I know you're like, dude, that's crazy. Me, a millionaire? What would my friends and my family think? But I know that you can do it. How? Because in the last 4 months, I've now helped 9 ordinary people become new millionaires by teaching them only one skill. These are ordinary people from all walks of life, all industries. Some had a product to sell, some had never sold a product or anything in their entire lives, and yet they are now traveling the world, living life, driving cars as millionaires. And I want you to be next, because here is my big problem. I have set a goal of creating 100 millionaires in the next 3 years. I got 9 in 4 months, pretty good. I got my work cut out for me. We need to make you my next millionaire student. How? It's actually quite simple. 2 steps. Step 1, I share with you the ingredients that I use to sell over $40 million online before I turned 30, and we bake those ingredients together for you. And then step 2, you commit. You drop the excuses, and I hold you accountable as I mentor you until you become my next millionaire student. And here's the thing, listen, I know online you see a lot of ads and gurus and scammy stuff and BS stuff and hoodlums, who knows, with these internet people. So here's the best part. You now have a completely 7-day free trial for me to personally mentor you the same way I mentored my first 9 millionaire students, so you stand the best chance at being my next millionaire student. And if you don't love it for whatever reason, you can cancel anytime. You pay nothing. If you do love it though, it's only $9.95 a month after that. All right, that's almost nothing. That's less than $10 a month. You pay more for Spotify. And listen, Spotify is great for making Taylor Swift or Kanye West rich, but it's not doing anything to help you live life the way that you know you are meant to. Plus, when you claim your 7-day free trial below, again, completely free, no strings attached, no hidden weird stuff or whatever, completely free, I'm gonna give you 2 brand new free bonuses just for giving me a shot here. Bonus number 1 is called my Instagram Money Bible. Now, my company generates 6 figures a month on Instagram. Instagram's the hottest social media on the planet right now, and you don't need followers, you don't need to be famous on Instagram to make money on Instagram when you copy my system that I'm gonna share with you completely free. And bonus number 2, I'm gonna give you 27 hours of my best courses and my best trainings completely free right when you claim your free trial right now. And here's the thing, let's not wait, right? Let's not wait until you're like 98th millionaire student, 99th millionaire student. Let's make you 10th millionaire student, or 12th, or 18th millionaire student. Doesn't that sound better, right? And by the way, like, this is only $10 a month after the free trial. Like, that's crazy low. I may change my mind at some point. I'm just being perfectly honest here. So don't wait for any of this stuff. Let's take action on the life that we know we are meant to live. So hit that button below. It's completely free, and I will see you inside in just a second.